Hello friends, welcome to Abhi and V tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to write round up and round down measures in the DAX. So we'll see the functions round up and round down. Let's start. So I have loaded a standard sales data and I've taken a subcategory and sales here. So I will apply round functions on this sum of the sales column. Let's see the output and we'll analyze how they work. So first measure we'll see the round. Okay. So let's say measure round. Okay. So round, if you see the intelligence, it says number and number of digits. So number is here, sum of the sales. Okay. Then number of digits, let's say 2. Okay. So what it does, let's see the output and we'll analyze the output. Okay. So how it is working. So is a measure. Put the measure. So if you see the output, so it is like working based on the third digit. Okay. If third digit is greater than 8, greater than 5, then it will uh, increase the second digit by 1. Okay, so here it is 8, so greater than 5, that's why it is increased the 1 to 2. Here third digit is 1, it is which is less than 5, so it won't increase the second digit. So second digit is 6 only. Okay, and here third digit is 2, which is less than 5, that's why it won't increase the second digit. So second digit is 9 only, right? So if you take here third digit is 6, which is greater than 5, so it will increase second digit by 1. Second digit means second digit after the decimal from left to right. Okay, so here 0 will come. Same thing if you see anything here, yeah, greater than 5, that's why it will increase the second digit after decimal to increase by 1. That's why it will become 1 here. 20 becomes 21. Okay, guys. So I will show the all digits, third digits in a shot with a box here. So if you see here, this is the third digit. Okay. So based on greater than 5 or less than 5, this second digit will be modified. Okay. In case of greater than 5, then it will be increased to by 1. That means 32. Right. So here also. Okay. Again here. Okay. So like that round will work. Let's see the next measure, that is a roundup. Okay. Let's see roundup. Okay, roundup. So roundup also takes the number and the number of digits. Okay. Number of digits, let's say 2. Okay, let's see the output and we'll analyze that. So roundup, what does it will do? So here we'll take roundup. So roundup means whatever second digit after decimal, it will increase by 1. So second digit after decimal is this one, right, guys? So this is the second digit after decimal. So that is increased by 1. Okay. If you see 31, 32, 16, 17, 79, 80, 73, 74, like that. Okay. And so irrespective of digits, whatever will give the number of digits here in the function 2 means after decimal, second digit will be increased by 1. Okay. So let's see the third measure, that is round down. Okay. Round down. So let's see what round down will do. Round down number is sum of the sales. Okay, guys. Digits is 2. Okay. So let's see the output here. Round down. So what it will do is it will cut off the decimals after the second digit after decimal. Okay. It will cut off the digits after the second decimal. So second decimal is 31, right? So it will cut off the digits after 31. That is 8 and all. So from here all this will be cut down after second decimal. So whatever up to second decimal is there, second digit after decimal, those will be displayed. Okay. So all digits after the second digit after the decimal will be eliminated. Okay, that is round down. Okay, guys. Hope you understand this video. If you like this video, like it, subscribe it, and for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.